Jo Mackenzie here, your watercolor coach. I'm here today because I made some amazing discoveries and I want to share them with you. I made these discoveries this week. Instead of using limited strokes, what I did instead was I looked at my darks, my mediums, and my lights, and I broke them up into just masses, and then I mixed thick amounts of paint according to those values, and I lightly dabbed, not lightly, but dabbed the painting in those spots. And I made a couple videos about that on my YouTube channel, but I think it's a really successful strategy. So the paint is much, much thicker, and I'm not using strokes, I'm using dabs. So here's the first one that I did, which is just a little bit tentative. This is the one I did yesterday with dabs, with thicker paint and stronger pigment. Here's one that I did, a peony, before I did the value dab strategy. And here's the one I did today with the value dab strategy, which I just think has a little more sensitivity. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. What I've learned is it's going to take a lot more pigment to paint. I suspect this is very similar to painting with a different medium, like oil paint or acrylic. It's going to take attention to value, which I always knew, and attention to mass. But instead of seeing the mass as one thing, or in terms of a triad as three things, I need to look at that mass as maybe as many as 4 or 5 different values and plug those in accordingly. That's going to be a challenge, but I'm up for it. All right, so that's my tip for the day. Remember to keep the whites of your paper white and your paints wet. Come see me at jomackenzie.com and join my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.